Mulberrys is a toxin-free premium dry cleaning company. Almost everybody hates going to the dry cleaner. And so what we wanted to do was make it so that going to the dry cleaner when you come to Mulberrys is both a pleasant experience, but also a convenient one. We offer free home delivery service, so if at any point you want to drop something off, we get it delivered to your house. We have a mobile app. We barcode every garment and scan it every step of the way. So you'll get a text message when we've picked up your order. You'll get a text message when your order's ready. You'll get a text message when your driver's on your way, and you'll get a communication when your order's delivered. So you never wonder where your clothes are. We always focus on providing you the absolute best pressing, cleaning, and packaging methods available. And your clothes will always come back in an absolutely delightful way. And our promise to you is if you're ever unhappy with the quality of the pressing or the quality of cleaning that we provide, we'll redo it for free. No questions asked.